Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix overheating issues on your OnePlus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, do not use your mobile while charging. So when you use your mobile while charging, it gets heat up, and after that take your phone in a environmental friendly temperature. Do not take your phone near fire or anything that emits heat. And after that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then check if your mobile data, location, Wi-Fi all are turned on or turned off. So to do this, open quick settings panel, and if the mobile data, Wi-Fi, location are all are on, then turn them off. And after turning off, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the overheating issues, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on display and brightness. Now from here, click on auto brightness and turn this button on. And after that, scroll down, and here you will see a bright HDR video mode button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it back off. So when you turn this button off, it will fix your overheating issues. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.